Alright, so you're learning to swing trade. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the top tips and tricks to get started with swing trading so we all can make as much money as possible in 2024. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Carter and I've been a full-time swing trader for about 6 years. And with that being said, we have super exciting news. I just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about how I find stocks, my strategies, my mindset, how I deal with emotion in the market. It's pretty much just a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading needs. I'll put it down below, check it out, and you guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. So make sure you guys check it out down below. But guys, let's dive into this. Let's go. So for me, I always think it's smart to go into the new year with some sort of game plan or strategy so we all can make as much money as possible for this year. Now, a lot of people's New Year's resolution is to learn a new skill. Now, these tips and tricks are going to be for swing trading. Yes, you could probably use some of them for day trading and even investing, but I believe that these are going to be the top tips and tricks for swing trading. All right, so the first tip and trick that I would recommend, whether you're a full-time trader or you're just getting started, and this is the first video, the first thing that I would recommend doing is using a paper trading account. A paper trading account is using simulated money to practice your entries, your exits, and develop that strategy. A lot of people have this association that, swing trading is an easy way to get rich quick. And guys, this couldn't be further from the case. Swing trading is like a job. It's a career, and you have to treat it like one. How long does it take a doctor to become a doctor or an engineer to become an engineer? It takes years of practice, hard work, and swing trading is the exact same thing. And so having a simulated account is a great way to practice those entries and exits. And yes, I already can hear some of the comments stating, Carter, well, if you're using simulated money, that doesn't deal with emotion. No, you're right. It doesn't deal with emotion, but what it does practice is those entries and exits and risk management skills that do handle emotion. Now, there's a bunch of paper trading accounts out there. The one I would recommend is Moomoo. It's absolutely fantastic. They have great scanning and charting. I'm not getting paid or promoted by them. I just think their platform is very, very awesome for trading. Now, when paper trading, I would recommend doing that for anywhere from 6 months to 1 year. And honestly, I personally continue to paper trade even now, 6 years later, to practice entries, exits, and overall just keep learning. And that is another tip and trick, but we'll talk about it later. All right, moving on to the second tip and trick. Before we jump into that, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Do it right now. Smash that like button. All right, I appreciate you. All right, now let's move on to tip number 2. Tip number 2 is hit those base hits, not home runs. And I'm not talking about baseball. A lot of people, when trading, they try to make these massive moves where they grow an account from $100 all the way to $100,000. They think they can do that in, a year. No, it's going to be very, very, very difficult to do that. What I would recommend doing is seeing you guys hit those base hits, those 1, 2, 3% gains. If you can do that weekly, you're looking solid, my friend. On top of that, when you're swing trading stocks that are moving so much and you're trying to get these 200%, 150% returns, your risk management just goes out the window, and I can almost guarantee that you're going to be blowing through your account. So guys, focus on those small base hits where those 2, 3, 1% gains go a long way. And the great thing about swing trading is the profits you make today can be used as leverage tomorrow. Meaning, if that just say you have $100 in your account, then you grow it to $110. Now you can use that $110 to make more money instead of that original $100. You'll compound your account very, very fast with those base hits. All right, so the third tip and trick when it comes to swing trading is understanding if you're making $10 a day from swing trading, the only thing that's separating you from making $100 or $200 is just literally one thing, and that is share size. If you have a solid strategy, you have solid entries, risk management skills, the only thing that's separating you from making more money is going to be account size and share size. So continue to practice, continue to work at it, and compound your account. and just focus on those base hits, and before you know it, you'll be making those $100 a day. All right, so the fourth tip and trick when it comes with swing trading is never trade with emotion. Emotion is by far one of the more important factors when it comes with swing trading and even trading in general with the markets. Now, the reason why is when you buy a stock, your emotions are high. They are. If you don't understand that, that's where having experience in the market goes a long way, because your emotions are a lot more relaxed because you're just more experienced. So when you make a trade, never deal with emotion. Some of the emotions that you're going to face is fear. When you buy that stock, you're going to be scared. On top of that, you could have greed. Your stock could be going up and up and up, and you think that this is your $1 million play and you're going to be a millionaire. Or you have a lot of hope on the stock to rebound. So the biggest recommendations that I would have when it comes with dealing with emotion is a couple of things. Understand your entries. Entries are important. Try to find stocks on support. On top of that, with that, have a stop loss. A stop loss is the max amount of money you're willing to lose. This is a great way to just handle risk management and handle emotion. It pretty much throws emotion out the window because you won't have hope. You'll understand, okay, if I'm down 2%, I'm just gonna cut my losses. On top of that, understand where you take your profit. You know, what this does is that when it hits that profit, you sell and you're completely fine sitting on the sidelines if the stock continues to go up higher. The reason why is because you understand that you have no emotion involved in this trade. Whether you make $100, whether you lose $2, whatever it may be, you understand emotion is not involved. All right, so the last and final thing when it comes to swing trading is never stop learning. Just like the stock market changes, your strategy will change, and you need to constantly learn to get ahead with swing trading. 90% of swing traders actually fail. So how does that 10% stay afloat? In my opinion, I think it comes down to education. I think the more you learn, the more you're gonna earn and the longer you're gonna be around. And honestly, constantly learn, constantly take quizzes, constantly, practice with that paper trading account, read books, take courses like mine. But not even that. I just think, the more you learn, the more you're gonna earn in the long run. And those small investments, of a book go a long way. A $20 book could pay you for a lifetime. And a lot of people don't realize that, and they don't want to constantly learn. They think they understand one strategy, and that's their strategy for a lifetime. Not gonna be further from the case. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my course down below. I highly recommend it. And we'll see you guys later. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Happy New Year.